In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add secondary number on Amazon Jobs. Let's get started right on the Amazon Careers website. Open your browser and go to the official Amazon Jobs site. If you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your candidate account before you can make changes. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the page. That's where the navigation for your personal settings lives. From there, select My Career. This takes you into your candidate area where you manage applications and personal information. Next, open My Profile. Your profile is where Amazon stores your personal and contact details that recruiters may use to reach you, so it's important to keep it accurate and up to date. Inside your profile, go to My Details. This section includes your name, address, and contact options. To make changes, click Edit Profile. If you don't see an edit button, make sure you're fully signed in to the correct account and that the page has fully loaded. Now scroll to the contact information area. Here you'll see your primary phone number, and right next to it, you'll find the field for your secondary number. The secondary number acts as a backup contact method, which can be helpful if you're hard to reach on your main line or if you prefer calls on one number and texts on another. Click into the secondary number field and type in the phone number you want to add. For best results, enter it in the format the page suggests. If there's a country selector, pick the correct country and include the area code. Avoid extra characters like parentheses or dashes if the form rejects them. Use a number you can reliably access for calls or texts related to your applications or onboarding. When you're done, pause for a quick review. Double check every digit to make sure the number is accurate. A single typo can prevent recruiters or automated systems from reaching you, so it's worth the extra moment. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Save to Profile. The page should update and keep your changes. If you see an error, look for hints near the field, such as an invalid format message, then adjust the number and save again. If the Save button is disabled, scan the page for any required fields you might have missed. That's it. You've successfully added a secondary phone number to your Amazon Jobs profile. For peace of mind, refresh the page and revisit My Details to verify the number appears exactly as you entered it. Keeping both your primary and secondary numbers current ensures you never miss an important update during the hiring process.